Late at night, after 11 p.m., there is a train that leaves platform 4 in Mumbai. It's not on any app. You won't find its schedule online. And the strange part, no one ever remembers boarding it except the ones who survive. The 11:17 p.m. train out of platform 4 was almost always empty. Just the hum of the engine, the flickering lights, and a few night owls trying to get home. That night, Samir was one of them. He had just finished a brutal double shift at the hospital, exhausted, soaked in rain, and desperate to get some sleep. He boarded the third car, sat by the window, and closed his eyes. The train started moving. Everything was normal until it was not. 5 minutes into the ride, the train stopped. No station, no announcement, just stopped. Outside, there was nothing but trees, fog rolling over the tracks, no roads, no lights. Samir opened his eyes. What the hell? He muttered. Then he noticed him, a man standing by the door, tall, soaking wet, wearing a grey trench coat, no bag, no phone, just staring. He turned to Samir and said in a low tone, "You shouldn't be here." Samir blinked, thought he misheard. "Excuse me?" he asked. The man stepped closer, pale skin, washed out eyes, calm, too calm. "This train doesn't stop here," he said. "Not unless she's getting on." Samir gave a weak laugh. "Who is she?" The man pointed outside, and Samir saw her. A woman standing just beyond the tracks, perfectly still, wearing a white coat like the ones worn in psych wards. No umbrella, no bag, just standing, staring straight at the train. There was a light above her head, flickering. The part of the track did not have electricity. Samir sat forward, uneasy, and then the man whispered, "Every night at 11:22, she chooses someone. One passenger disappears. Train starts moving like nothing happened." Shamir shook his head. "You are messing with me." The man just stared. "Last night I tried warning someone else, and he did not listen." The lights went out. Total darkness, silence, even the rain stopped. Then footsteps, wet, slow, inside the train, coming closer. Samir held his breath. He reached for his phone. Dead. He looked across easily, and the man was gone. And then she was inside, standing at the far end of the car. Same white coat, same lifeless eyes. She raised one hand and pointed at Samir. He couldn't move, couldn't scream. She smiled, and the lights went out again. When the lights came back, the train was moving back to normal. Samir looked around. No man in the trench coat, no woman in white, just him alone. He looked at his phone. It buzzed. A message from an unknown number. "Thank you." She chose him. He reported everything to the station master. No one remembered the man. No one saw the train stop. No CCTV footage showed anything unusual. But Samir knew, he knew what he saw. He never took the train again, but 3 nights later, while scrolling Reddit, he found a post. Anyone ever notice weird stuff on the 1117 train? Someone asked. One comment read, "My brother vanished on the train. People say he never got on, but I saw him. I saw someone watching him from the woods. A woman in white." Samir didn't reply. He just turned off his phone. But every night since then, he has heard the train whistle from his window, and sometimes he sees her standing by the tracks waiting. Some passengers never make it home, and some trains don't run on tracks, they run on silence, on secrets, and on souls.